Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is an amazing infographic. Do you want to know how to make it? Let me show you. Go to Insert tab and add a rectangle onto the entire slide. Change its color and there you go. Remove its outline as well. Now add our rounded corner rectangle and increase its corners, and you have to increase its length, and there you go. Change its color to gray and remove its outline. Now add another rounded corner rectangle right here and move it into the middle of the template. Change its color to silver and duplicate it and decrease its size and adjust it into the middle. Now the next thing you have to do is go to shape format and give it shadows. There you go. Let's give it inner shadow and some preset and increase its blur, and let's give it some transparency as well. Now what I'm gonna do is decrease its size and put it into the middle, and let's give it some gradient. I'm gonna use gray and white color and select this rectangle again and give it this shadow, that is the middle shadow. And now let's change the color of the shadow to black. There you go. Now you have to select it and change the gradient color and go to preset and shadow and give it this shadow again. Now duplicate it and you have to change the angle of its gradient and put it right here. There you go. And you have to adjust it into the middle of this rectangle. Now go to shape format and give it shadow as well, like you did give to the second rectangle. And now what I'm gonna do is change its color to black, like its shadow color to black, and I'm gonna increase its transparency. And let's give it this darker shadow. And now select both the three and group them and move them right here. Now duplicate it 4 times and adjust them into equal distances and equal heights. Now add a circle, and using added points you're gonna make it like this. Now this is the result. I'm gonna change its color and I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna add a rectangle and I'm gonna intersect it. There you go. So this shape is ready, and let's adjust it a little. Now what you have to do next is move it downwards and add a text box right here and add your text. Let's increase its size and put it right here. And there you go. Now go to Insert tab and add this half donut right here and adjust it, rotate it like this and put it right here and right click on it and send it to the back. That it goes onto the back of each of the shape. So this is it. I have made all of the infographic. So this is the final result and that's how it looks. Now let me paste the text into the template. I'm gonna paste all the text and the headers and the numbers into the template. But be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like these. So now let's see the final result. This is the final result. And don't forget to comment down to get more videos like these.